So finally, after approximately 2 months, there's a new update of Pixel Experience Custom Home, official Pixel Experience Custom Home, which we are talking about. This is one of the best custom homes, you already know that, and this is one of the most old custom homes, quite famous. This is having Android 13, this is having the July security patch. So which are the things which you were looking for? Or maybe if those things are present here, some things are available, some things are quite good, some things are not. All those things I will talk about in this video, so stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. It is having the July security patch, so the new back gesture has been introduced. I found in some custom homes this back gesture was not present, but maybe some custom homes were providing the June security patch previously. Pixel Experience actually skipped that June security patch, so the June security patch updates are not available. After May, we are having this July security patch straight away. Enhanced pin privacy option is also finally introduced. So yes, you can simply disable the animations while entering the pin, and this is so useful in some cases. So if you have pin enabled, let me show you which thing I'm talking about. You have this pin, so whenever you type any pin, you can see we don't have any kind of animations except this back arrow. Whenever you clear this, the thing, whenever you clear the pin which you have entered, but other options, whenever you type the pin, you will not see any kind of animations there. Including that, one thing which I was looking for is wallpaper in wallpapers and style, the new UI. Unfortunately, it's not present here like you saw in Pixie SOS and some few more custom ROMs. But including that, this is having one new change called shortcuts. Now you have the lock screen shortcuts available here, left shortcut, right shortcut, the things which you can customize. I mean, in some of the devices, if you're using unofficial version of Pixel Experience Custom, things might be different in your case. I'm using official version, and official custom home, official Pixel Experience Custom Home did not introduce the new wallpaper and style UI. But of course, that's completely fine. That is not available in most of the custom ROMs too. In sound and vibration, what I found here is the ring and notification volume both are available separately, so that's interesting. The option for this thing should always be separate. I mean, sometimes I need more ring volume except the notification volume, or I need notification except ringtone, so that's useful. And this vibration haptics, these are so useful. You can simply change the intensity if you want to. The option is available here for you, and other things are basically same. By the way, this Pixel Experience update still includes this face unlock, so don't worry about that if you want to use that. Also, this face unlock is a bit different. If you are using Pixel OS on your device, you might notice that face unlock and this face unlock, both of those face unlock options are kind of different. Not a major change, but whenever you enable the face unlock for the first time, you will notice that. One more thing which I noticed here is this, as you can see at the bottom, protected by Android. Not available in many custom homes. Not sure if it is a part of July security patch or not, but I found this thing new, so that is why we're sharing this. Including that, as expectedly, it will provide you Aperture camera pre-installed. I mean, if you are a Xiaomi user, maybe your device maintainer could bring you the Leica camera, MIUI camera, and anything else, but by default in most of the devices, you will see the Aperture camera pre-installed. Aperture camera is one of the most underrated camera apps, by the way. That's interesting. Including that, as expectedly, we are having the unlimited photos and videos backup in this device without any extra cost, and of course in full quality. That is available here. You don't need to enable anything like this. This is by default. One thing which is actually missing from here, or maybe which was not available previously too, but I was looking forward to, is the battery stats wipe. You can't wipe the stats. As you can see, you don't have the option to wipe the stats. This graph, the battery chart, is also looking basically same. This is AOSP style. No, AOSP style is quite better, but this is Pixel OS style. This is Pixel style, which is kind of okay. I mean, if you want to use this, you can. The game dashboard, which if you were looking for, is present in settings, Google, then this game dashboard. It's not available in the apps section, by the way, and if you enable this option, you have the same kind of things. One thing keep in mind, like in some custom homes, we are having different kind of game space. The game space from Rising OS, Evolution X OS, Spark OS, kind of different, but this is having the stock game dashboard, which is available in Pixel by default. That is one of the things why I'm using Pixel Experience. If you need stock feelings, stock kind of things, then you must try out this one. This is one of the most interesting custom homes, and if you want to install this thing, official version links is already available in the description. Make sure to check out that. For more videos, make sure to subscribe this channel. Goodbye.